Okay, Assalamualaikum. Kita sambung dengan chapter 8 ataupun topik 8. Topik 8, okay, Social Decision Theory. So, what we are going to learn in this chapter, you should be able to apply decision theory into collective and social setting of decision making. Describe the use of Arrow's theorem with regard to social decision rules. Okay, macam mana kita nak apply dalam kehidupan lah ataupun future event yang akan berlaku. Okay, social decision theory, the basic insight. The idea of social decision theory was first discovered by Borda and Condorcet. Okay, the general method for reaching a consensus among humans are voting, such as majority rules. Okay, macam kita tahulah, nak buat pilihan kadang-kadang kena mengundi. Ataupun tengok negara kita pun kalau nak memilih pemimpin sekalipun kena adakan undi ataupun panggil sebagai undian lah, saya lupa nama apa lah, yang mengundi kan setiap 5 tahun sekali kan, bubar parlimen apa semua tu memerlukan undian, kan, balik mengundi apa semua. Okay, however, the result of voting are often inconsistent, largely due to the inconsistency of voting rules. Okay, tapi result mengundi tu mostly lah kebanyakan tidak konsisten, disebabkan oleh orang tersebut, kan. Okay, for example, inconsistent voting behavior occur if a member show disagreement on the interest rate proposed by the chairman in the policy go round, but this member agrees in the formal vote. Kan, maksudnya kat sini macam undi tu memang diundi tapi dia tidak bersetuju, tidak bersependapat lah dalam minat tu. Okay. So for the introduction, the two scholars most often associated with the development of social choice theory are the Frenchman Nicolas de Condorcet in 1743 to 1794 and the American Kenneth Arrow, which is born in 1921. Dua orang ni lah scholar ataupun panggil cendekiawan dulu-dulu yang mengeluarkan teori-teori ni. Okay, for the Condorcet advocate a voting method which is called majority voting. Okay, kat sini Condorcet ni memperjuangkanlah voting method ni. Masih lagi digunakan masa sekarang, tak kisahlah dekat mana-mana pun, memang akan adalah majority voting. Kita mengundi sebab nak cari majority atau nak cari nak bersependapat, nak mencari hala tuju. Okay, so for Arrow introduce a general approach to preference aggregation, collective preference. Okay, so for Arrow ni diperkenalkanlah general approach untuk yang dipanggil sebagai collective preference. Okay, so collective preference is the formation of a number of people with similar preference into a cluster. Okay, this is Condorcet. Macam ni kan, tapi ni gambar bila dah. Okay, Condorcet jury's theorem. Okay, let's say probability of individual voting correctly is P. Dia punya means, okay, P, okay, the probability of individual voting. Okay, and probability of individual voting incorrectly is 1 negative P. Okay, so according to Condorcet 1786, if P is more than 0.5, okay, when the voter number are increased, then P or probability that majority will vote correctly will also increase to approach 1. Okay, this is the basis for democracy. Okay, maksudnya kat sini sekiranya probability itu lebih daripada 0.5, kebarangkalian dia punya individual voting incorrectly tu, yang tidak betul tu, akan meningkat juga. Okay, tengok dia punya graf ni, semakin meningkat dia pun meningkat juga dia punya tu probability of error. Semakin ramai pengundi, voter tu, makin meningkat dia punya error. Okay. So for the Condorcet paradox, majority preference can be irrational or intransitive even when individual preference are rational or transitive. Okay, let's say one third of a group prefer alternative X to Y, Y to Z, and then a second third prefer Y to Z, Z to X, and a final third prefer Z to X, to Y. Maksudnya berbeza lah. Walaupun satu kumpulan tapi dia punya preference ataupun alternatif tu berbeza. Walaupun sama je sebenarnya dia punya tujuan. Tapi dia berbeza dia punya preferences tu. Then there are majorities of 2/3 for X against Y, for Y against Z, and the Z against X. Okay, so a cycle which violates transitivity. Maksudnya dia ni berbeza kan. Jadi dia macam menyalahilah undang-undang transitivity. Okay, apa benda transitivity tu kita dah belajar chapter 4 or 5, saya lupa dah. Okay, so for the according to Condorcet, no alternative is a winner. Tiada okay, jadi yang betulnya adalah yang tiada alternatif lah. Okay, so contohnya kat sini lah, senang ni macam belit sikit kan. Okay, for the example, the issue about foreign worker, isu pasal pekerja warga asing. Okay, okay, isu pun terbahagi kepada 3, which is industry, non-government organisation, NGO, local authority. Okey, kat sini tunjuklah bahawasanya isu dalam industri is the needs to bring in foreigner to the industry. Maksudnya kat sini dia tak adalah isu tapi dia macam keperluan. Sekarang ni salah satu keperluan lah untuk membawa masuk warga asing ni dalam industri sebab ialah tenaga kerja makin diperlukan dalam industri. Okay, for the non-government NGO, social impact caused by foreigner in the long run. Berlakunya adalah banyak keburukan, maybe banyak kebaikan tapi banyak jugalah keburukan dalam jangka masa yang lama. Okay, for the local authority, consider infrastructural issue such as accommodation, electricity and so forth. Okay, bila adanya warga asing, pekerja warga asing kan, jadi kita perlulah consider untuk menyediakan dia punya tempat tinggal, makan minum, atau nak menyediakan kemudahan lah untuk mereka. Okay, jadi bila dibawa ke parlimen ni, so for the group A, they bring in foreign worker, then and also local workers and improve facility. Okay, for the group B, local workers improve facility, bring in foreign worker, sama je lah. Kena tengok lagi. Okay, tengok lagi. Okay, ni contoh dia lah. Sama je kan. Okay, tengok lagi contoh dia. Suppose that group A wins the vote with simple majority, the coalition of group B and C can be formed to change the decision since these two group not prefer the resolution bring in foreign worker no matter the reason is. Jadi kat sini tengok contohlah group A ni dia macam tak nak lah bawa masuk kerja asing contohnya. Okay, suppose that group B wins. Okay, group A ni dia macam dia setujulah bawa masuk foreign worker ni. Okay, then B dengan sini dikurang sikit lah. Kalau boleh tak nak lah. Kalau boleh utamakan local worker ni dulu. Okay, suppose that group B win, then a coalition to change the decision can be formed by group A and C since they both prefer and maintain their resolution. If group C wins, the decision can be changed by a coalition of group A and B who both could not tolerate with Group C's resolution. The situation here is called cyclic social preference. There is no alternative which is a winner here. In this case, social decision theory suggests that there should be a rational method or alternative for aggregation. Maksudnya macam sebesar lah. Dia kadang diperlukan sebenarnya untuk isu foreign worker ni. Tapi macam tu lah. Ada yang certain people kan kapal 5 ni tak setuju bahawa masuk pekerja asing contohnya. Dan dekat sini cakap tak ada. There is no alternative which is winner here. Sebab ianya the situation is called cyclic social preference. Kan sebab ni lah dia tak ada majority. This sampai setuju, ada separuh ni tak setuju, ada yang ni maybe separuh setuju. Okay. Okay, Arrow's theorem. Okay, the starting point of modern social decision theory was a theorem by Kenneth Arrow in 1951. He set out to investigate whether there is some other social decision rules than majority rules, which is under cyclic social preference can be avoided. Maksudnya dia cubalah mengambil tahu ataupun siasatlah if there is other social decision rules than majority rules. Maksudnya dia nak carilah sekiranya ada in case ada lah solution lain selain dari majority rules ni, so that dia boleh avoid this cyclic social preferences ni. Okay, so Arrow ni dia beritahu apa. Okay, so Arrow impossibility theorem has shown that no voting method exists which satisfy all of the following 6 condition. Tunjuklah tak ada method yang untuk kita mengundilah sekiranya diperlukan sekiranya kita mengikuti 6 condition ni. Okay. One is free citizens sovereignty. Every possible societal preference order should be allowed or permissible. Okay, the social welfare function, the preference and utility of each individual in the social group should handle all preferences of all individual and not have to specify which preferences qualify as legitimate or illegitimate. Okay, independence of irrelevant alternative. Society's choice between A and B should depend only on how individual rank A and B and not on other information. This condition is required to prevent strategic voting and obscuring of preference, which is made unclear and difficult to understand. Okay, anonymous, okay, fully in agreement or called as Pareto consistency. If anyone in the society prefer A over B, then society must also prefer A over B. Kat sini semua orang setuju. Tadi free kan, then independent, then unanimous. Okay, kalau yang anonymous ni kalau semua society tu prefer A over B, then semualah kena ikut A over B. Okay, completeness, everyone in the society can compare all alternative. Transitivity, if A is socially preferred to B and B is socially preferred to C, then A is socially preferred to C. Maksudnya kat sini, bila mana kita tengok kat sini, sekiranya B tu, A tu dipilih, A lebih dipilih berbanding B dan B dipilih berbanding dengan C dan A dipilih berbanding C. Maksudnya C ni hujung sekali lah. Okay, A dengan B lah yang paling depan. A lah yang paling depan sekali. Okay. Non-dictatorship, the preference of just one person should not determine the outcome. Okay, kat sini sama juga lah tadi. Okay, condition that no voting system will satisfy. In case lah this condition ada, kita tak perlukan tak perlukan voting method ataupun voting system. Okay, ingat ni. Okay, free, independent of irrelevant alternative, anonymous, completeness, sensitivity, and non-dictatorship. Okay, Arrow's theorem solution. In an attempt to escape from the negative conclusion of Arrow's theorem, social choice theories suggest this way out. Okay. So dia nak mengurangkan lah ataupun nak elak lah daripada negative conclusion of this theorem ataupun Arrow theorem ni. Jadi the theories okay, suggest cara nak menyelesaikannya ataupun cara untuk handle. The first one is limiting the number of alternatives. So when there are only 2 alternatives to choose from, easy for collective decision making. Kalau boleh tak perlulah number of alternatives sampai 5, 6, cukup 2 pun okey dah. 3 pun okey lah, 4, 5 dah tak perlulah. 1, 2, 3 pun dah okey, sebab bila banyak sangat alternatif ni jadi dah semakin sukarlah untuk membuat pilihan. Okay, the main restriction, not all individual preferences should be taken into consideration. The third one is relaxing transitivity, allows partial ordering or not fully transitive binary relationship. Okay, relaxing independence of irrelevant alternative. Okay, give up independence of irrelevant alternative. Okay, so this is the example of application of social decision making. Social decision making. Okay, for directed ballots. Okay, organization or business organization. Promotion to critical posts where there are many candidates qualify for the post. Investment on new business field where the return of investment are all convincing. New project where there are potential profit can be gained from each proposed project. Okay, for the government sector, implementation of critical initiative that benefit the nation in the long run. Okay, proposal of policies or law that govern the implementation of initiative. Kat sinilah kebiasaannya social decision making digunakan dalam promotion. Kalau di bahagian organisation ataupun business organisation, digunakan dalam promotion, investment and new project. Okay, untuk bahagian government for critical initiative ataupun policies or law, nak buat undang-undang baru. Okay, itu je lah. Nanti boleh baca conclusion. Okay, that's all for topic 8. Okay, thank you.